So today in the life of Sav, we are going to try to induce labor by doing some cardio exercises, watching YouTube videos, because this pregnancy is like kicking my ass. Only because wasn't prepared. I guess I would say I wasn't prepared for it to be totally completely different from my first pregnancy, and it really is. Like, from the beginning to the end, it has been totally different. And I didn't even make it this far with my first daughter. I gave birth at 37 weeks, so the fact that I'm even this pregnant still is ridiculous to me. So I do have up until Sunday. That is the day I'm officially due. Today is Wednesday, so we do have a couple of days, but I feel like this entire pregnancy, I would have thought I would have went in earlier compared to my first, because I've been way more active. I do yoga every morning. I stretch. I do a lot of walking. I'm like always on my feet, and I have a whole other kid I have to take care of that I'm running after and doing things for. So I feel like I've been way more active this pregnancy that I would have thought I would have went already and given birth. But oh, look at that. It's 444. We love that. It's my angel number. Up, and it changed when I showed. But yeah, I delivered my first daughter at 37 weeks, and I am currently 39 weeks, and I can't believe that I am still this pregnant. And she is getting lower slowly. I feel like she's dropped a lot over the past couple of days, but I just been having regular minor contractions, nothing that makes me feel like, oh my god, I'm gonna go into labor, which I am trying to activate as soon as possible. So I've been doing everything that I've even tried the midwife's brew. I did try castor oil because that did also help with my first daughter. None of that shit worked for me this time around. So I guess this girl is just gonna come when she wants to come, but we are gonna get some exercise in and try to help something.
Getting started with pregnancy jacks. You're not actually jumping in the air, but seeing the full body compound movement to get the blood flowing and get ready to exercise. Here we go. So I need you stepping out to the side, and we're keeping our knees in a nice horse stance. So I need it in a bent position. We're not up here. Nope, that's not doing enough for you. Down here. Think about a stable knee, not a wibbly wobbly knee. Reaching out with a pointed toe, and arms coming up high. So warming up with 2 exercises. We're gonna do these 2 back to back, and then we'll get on with our main set. And a prisoner squat jack, squat walk. So coming down into a squat, 1, 2, up to tiptoes. Nice and wide. 1, 2, up to tiptoes. Give me nice wide steps. We're staying low as if we're sneaking underneath a window. Work on the shoulder mobility. Posture can really be a problem during pregnancy just due to the weight of enlarged breast, enlarged belly. So think about keeping your elbows back. And back to our pregnancy jumping jacks. Arms getting nice and high here. Getting blood flowing through all of our extremities to our heart. Blood volume can increase almost to 90% above what it was before. It can increase a lot for some women. Less volume increase for other women, but bottom line is you have more blood in your body right now. It's important that we oxygenate it and prepare the body for a rear foot tap. Wide squat, rear foot tap. This wide squat is just providing some space for baby belly. Keeping our chest up. Your gaze is at me, my gaze is at you. Feet are still generally pointed forward, the toes. They can be out about 15 degrees. So generally straight in front of you. It's a nice quick pace here. So it can be easy to overheat in second and third trimester. So be sure that you're working out in a temperature controlled environment, or if not, if you're outdoors, ensure you're doing it in the morning or later in the day, because I don't want you overheating unnecessarily. Single leg sprinter. One foot forward, one foot back. Give me a little sprint and then switch legs. So what happens when you get really hot is your blood is going to shunt to your skin to try to cool it down, meaning it's pulling blood away from your heart, pulling blood away from your baby. So that's why it's really important to just stay at a good temperature. Yes, you can sweat. Yes, you can get hot. What I'm talking about is if you're not acclimated to 90 degrees, don't start training when it's 90 degrees out. Switching legs at your leisure. You need a good strong sprint with the upper body. Right there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Give me thighs parallel to the ground if you can. Knees are pointed out in line with toes. You can go outside, sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze these inner thighs to come out strong. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest it out. Next is lateral tap dancer. So we're really going to be getting side to side. Another really good cardio exercise that's going to train inner and outer thighs specifically. Reaching out to the side. Here we go. Staying low in that horse stance that you learned at the beginning. So I've read some studies. I'm kind of a nerd, right? You probably already know that, but I like to read PubMed for published journal studies. And it's between 42 and 26% of women exercise during pregnancy, but only half of that still exercise after the first 6 months. So just want to remind you that you are in the minority right now. Only about 13% of women meet the recommended ACOG guidance, which is American College of Gynecologists, and that is to walk for 4 days per week for 30 minutes. So I just want to say congratulations. I'm proud of you for being here. And rest that out. Next we have palm slap leg runner. We're going to step forward. And this is a harder one because we're doing full 55 seconds on each leg, okay? So leg is not coming up high. This is what I do pre-pregnancy, okay? Leg is stopping down low. We're not trying to put extra intra-abdominal pressure on the low abdomen. We're not trying to spread our abs apart any farther. You can go ahead and watch my video on how to prevent diastasis recti during pregnancy. And I go into great detail there to teach you all about that. The bottom line is we're staying low. Knee drive is just coming up to slap the palms. All right, now let's increase the range of about your shoulder range of motion, getting them in line with ears. Okay, pick up the speed. A little sweat should be dripping. That's where I want you. Breathe it out. You're never holding your breath. Extend it. Once you feel like you've gotten the groove, you notice that your feet are at a 90-degree angle. You can pick up the pace. Here we go. We're avoiding arching the butt back, okay? We're just sitting down. Now, there'll always be a slight arch in the back because that's just the nature of our lumbar spine. Lower part of our back has a nice natural curve, but avoiding that harsh anterior pelvic tilt, that's what I'm asking from you. Rest it out. 2 plie Rockies to demi plie. So legs are out nice and wide, hands up here behind your head. We're gonna come down, chain our obliques and inner thighs, step to the side to a demi plie. Here we go. 1, 2, step to the side, demi plie. Other side. 1, 2, and demi plie. Doesn't matter which side you step to, so don't get wrapped around that. Just keep moving with me. Just follow this tempo right here. Here we go.
Princess K's car seat installed. My little nugget's gonna be there. I just have to have my boyfriend set up the back camera. And then she got her pillow cushion, her strap cover, so she could be nice and toasty. This is the Even Flow that came with my stroller combo, and it looks so good. All right, so we're gonna be cleaning all of this out. I have so much leftovers from throughout the week that I'm gonna be getting rid of. I really wanna wipe down the glasses. Tomorrow is food shopping day, so we're gonna get this fridge cleaned out, get rid of all the bad produce and stuff that is expired, and I'm gonna deep clean all of this, reorganize. So tomorrow I am with a freshly clean refrigerator and freezer to stock up. So I went food shopping, and this is all the things that I grabbed, and now I'm going to organize my fridge. This is me just getting ready to organize all my pastas into my containers. I'm trying this organization aesthetic, and honestly, it's not as fancy as the ones I've seen on TikTok, but it does the job. So this was the final outcome of my organization in my cabinet. This is my little cupcake stand that I am using as an organization stand now. And this is the final outlook of my refrigerator. It's honestly still a little empty, but the cost of food is just ghetto these days. Like, all of this cost me $300, and I still feel like I need more stuff. But I am very excited with how organized and clean and everything is just in its place, fully stocked. You know, thank you God that I'm even allowed to fill my fridge. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.